Greetings, food lovers. Today we're exploring the simple yet scrumptious world of a classic combo, potatoes and onions. Imagine the golden, crispy edges of perfectly cooked potatoes complemented by the sweet, caramelized flavors of sautéed onions. This dish, with its humble ingredients and straightforward preparation, is a testament to the magic that can occur when simplicity meets flavor. So dust off your apron and grab your chef's knife. Get ready to whip up a culinary delight in your own kitchen. Before we dig in, let's gather our fresh ingredients. For our delightful potato and onion dish, we'll need 2 medium-sized potatoes, 1 large onion, and 3 cloves of garlic. Don't forget about the olive oil for sautéing, and for the seasoning, we'll use salt, pepper, and a pinch of rosemary. Remember, the magic of this dish lies in the quality and freshness of our ingredients. It's all about the simple things, done well. With these ingredients at hand, we're ready for the magic to happen. First off, we'll handle our potatoes. Clean, peel, and chop them into bite-sized pieces. The smaller the pieces, the faster they'll cook. But remember, too small and they might turn mushy. So think bite-sized, not breadcrumb-sized. Now let's move on to the onions. Onions can be tricky, but with a bit of practice, you'll slice them like a pro. Cut off the ends, peel away the skin, and slice from top to bottom. Aim for thin, even slices. They'll cook at the same pace as your potatoes and bring a sweet, tangy note to your dish. And a little tip here, if you chill your onions before slicing, it can help reduce those pesky tears. But don't fret, even professional chefs shed a tear or two when chopping onions. Now that our potatoes and onions are ready, it's time to fire up the stove. Heat up your pan, add some oil, and toss in those potatoes and onions. It's time to create a symphony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. The key here is patience and control. Too high a heat, and you risk burning your ingredients. Too low, and they won't cook evenly. Aim for a medium heat that allows your potatoes and onions to sizzle gently and become beautifully caramelized. Now, while they are cooking, let's turn our attention to the seasonings. Seasoning isn't just about adding flavors. It's about enhancing the natural goodness of your ingredients. A pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and remember, timing is crucial. Add your seasonings too early and they might burn, too late and they won't infuse properly. Halfway through the cooking process is usually the sweet spot. This allows the flavors to permeate through every morsel, creating a mouth-watering medley of tastes. Now don't be afraid to get creative here. A sprinkle of garlic powder, a dash of paprika, or a hint of rosemary can take this dish to new culinary heights. Pay attention to the aroma. It's like a symphony of scents, each note playing its part in this culinary concert. It's an olfactory indication of the deliciousness that's about to grace your plate. With our dish beautifully seasoned, we're almost ready to feast. Can you almost taste it? The perfect harmony of potatoes and onions, seasoned to perfection. It's time for the final act in our flavorful performance. Plate your potatoes and onions, garnish as desired, and voila, your culinary masterpiece is ready. Presentation is key, so take a moment to arrange your dish in a way that makes it as visually appealing as it is delicious. Now it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Savor every bite and let the flavors dance on your palate. Thank you for joining us in this flavorful journey. Now, it's your turn to try this recipe. Enjoy your meal, and until next time, happy cooking.